As I can see, you've already downloaded the Text2DRIVE app itself from the App Store. And why don't you show us exactly what you're going to do and how we use it.
Okay, so once you have that downloaded, look for it on your home page. Simply click on the app as you'd expect. Now, once you log in for the first time, we even let you use biometrics from your phone, like a thumbprint scan. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in with that.
Or even a face scan.
Or even a face scan if your phone supports that too.
Okay.
All right, so now to get into the repair order screen, you just click right down here on the word repair order. And now we'll search for the repair order using the RO number, the tag number, or the VIN itself. And we'll show you our automatic VIN scanner in a short while here too.
Okay.
So today we're going to be working on repair order 9404. Type in the number, click done, and you'll see it pop up and the status of the RO. Once you tap on it, you'll be brought to the repair order detail page. We've got all the useful information in here that we could think you might need. The advisor, the status of the RO, the customer's name, some information about the vehicle. Down here we have whatever the pay amounts are currently on that repair order. And finally, we show the opcode selected on that repair order. Underneath declined, you can see any work which has been declined.
So if we have opcodes set up on our decline and our automation, we can actually send some messages sometime after the transaction is closed to notify the person maybe we have some options for them on the decline work.
Absolutely. You can definitely make use of our declined automation.
Good. Okay. Now where do we go?
Okay. From here, we might want to send the customer some media. Simply tap on this button. Click Add Media. Now you're prompted to either choose to take a new photo, take a new video, or use a photo or video that you already have on your phone.
Okay.
And finally, if you want, you can add a note to the media timeline without attaching photo or video. Say you just want to send a little bit of text to your customer and attach that to the timeline, you can do that using internal notes.
Cool. Very good.
For today, we're going to take a video so we can show you all the great new features that we have basically invented for this app. All right.
So now I see there's some things. Now this is the camera portion of the app itself, right? The recreated, reinvented camera, so to speak, for either Android or Apple.
That's right. The basic camera on either Android or Apple didn't have all the functionality that we wanted. So we basically reinvented it ourselves. Right. So you can see a few great features down here. I'll go through them all first and then we'll show you how it works. First one up is the camera toggle in the lower right. You can use this to switch between the front and back camera. We recommend you introduce yourself. I'll show you here. Toggle it like that, and you see the front camera. You can say hi to your customer. You can flip it back again, and then you can go back to videotaping the car for them.
And so the recording just continues on even though you're flipping.
That's right. You can do that while you're recording. It doesn't interrupt it at all.
Okay, good.
Along with our other features, down here you have a little camera icon. This is actually for while you're videotaping, you can take pictures as you go. Again, without interrupt. That's right, okay. Still photos without interrupting the video. So say you really want to draw attention to a certain item on the customer's car, not only do you videotape it for them, but you can also send them a photo while you're videotaping the rest of the vehicle.
Very, very nice.
Up here, we've got our flashlight icon. If you tap on that, it'll turn on your phone's flashlight. In case you're in a low light situation, you can definitely see quite a bit better with that turned on.
Oh yeah, I just noticed it. Yeah, lit up, yep.
And then finally up here you have our mute button. So say you're in a very noisy shot, before you start recording you can either turn that off or leave it on, and that will determine whether or not there's any audio. So as it is right now, you'll just be showing video of the car to the customer. They won't hear any audio in case you're in a noisy shop and your coworkers are saying things they shouldn't.
Okay, cool.
All right.
So now we've gone over the basic features, and now what I'd like to stop for a second, pause, and then let's go over what we call a video walk around, and then after that we'll do a video inspection of a vehicle, okay?
Absolutely.
So I'm going to stop right now and we'll be right back with you.